which is almost a straight line with a slight curve outward. Chin is pretty sharp. Goes up like this and like that. This is the bottom of the jaw basically, and you can draw a line here to show the mouth. It helps you to visualize it. Okay. And from here, roughly, if you want to, you can draw kind of a line like that to show you kind of where the eyes is and the face is. It's like that cross. So the eye is going to be on this line and the nose is going to be on this line. Alright. So just like I mentioned, nose is going to be on this line, so you want to draw these three. These three lines, just that kind of shape is all that's needed for manga, for the style of the show. And for the eyes, this line here is going to be crossing the pupil, the black part of the eye. And the shape wise, just have to watch the show or try to get a picture online to make sure the shape of the eye is close to Ichigo's. Black part in the middle for the pupil, and then a little bit of darken. And here's the other one. I know it doesn't quite look like him until you put in the that orange. Well, I'm not gonna color it in, but until you draw the hair. Probably should have a little bit of highlight here too if I could. That always adds a little bit of extra realism to the eye. Let me see if I can erase part of it. Okay. Not too much, but yeah. And then the eyebrow. Fairly close to the eye. If you want to make him look intense, have it point downward. This is probably the hardest part, just to get the face and the jaw in decent proportion and respect to each other. And then the ear is roughly around here, between the eyes and the nose. Neck. I wouldn't worry too much about the details of the clothes or anything. That's not the point of this video. Okay. And here is where we're gonna start to have fun with the hair, which is pretty easy to draw. Just the overall shape, obviously, is actually a fairly round shape, but just a lot of spikes. So. Right. The thickest part of the hair is about on top. It's around here, and the thinnest part is about here. So don't make the entire hair like really thick. Some big spikes on top. And you can just kinda just do these spikes randomly, add a few small ones. The more random it is, the more realistic of the hair it seems to be. And he comes down to the ones on his forehead. And this is really the most difficult part of drawing Ichigo. So as you can see, the distance wise from here to here is, you know, like I said, it's the shortest, and from here to here is like the longest. So that's part of the hair. And the other one to watch out for is you have the base of the chin, right? And then you have the mouth. Distance of those two is similar to the tip of the nose, which is again similar to the top of the eyes. See, these three are very similar in distance. Okay, so yeah. So and then of course you can, if you want to, you can use a Sharpie, you can refine the lines, you can start coloring in and make it look really pretty and all that, but this is the basic construction of it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and is able to learn something from it. If there's any other character you want to see, just let me know. Leave a comment, let me know. Subscribe and all that stuff. So, this is Mr. X, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching and cheers!